In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete uploaded images in Midjourney. If you've ever uploaded a reference or generated a batch you don't want to keep, cleaning up your gallery can make finding your best work a lot easier. We'll walk through the options available in the Midjourney web app so you can remove an image quickly and confidently. I'll point out a few interface cues along the way and share alternate ways to do the same action so you can use whatever feels most natural. Start by signing in to the Midjourney website using your usual login. Once you're in, look for the Create area. This is where you work with your generations and uploads, and it's the quickest route to your image grid. If you don't immediately see your images, give the page a second to load or refresh. Larger galleries can take a moment. Make sure you're on the web app in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since hover options and right-click menus are easiest there. Find the image you want to delete in your gallery view and click it to bring it into focus. Taking a moment to confirm it's the right one can save you from removing something you meant to keep. If the image belongs to a set, you can open it in full view to avoid mixing up similar versions. On the image view, look for the three-line menu icon positioned on the right side of the image. That icon opens the action menu for this specific item. Click it to reveal more options, then choose Trash Image. This tells Midjourney to remove that image from your gallery. If you're prompted to confirm, review the title or thumbnail one last time and proceed. There's also a faster hover method. Move your cursor to the upper left corner of the image while you're in the gallery grid. A small trash icon appears when you hover in that corner. Click that icon to delete the image without opening the full menu. This is handy when you're tidying a lot of items and want to move quickly. You can also use a right-click directly on the image thumbnail to open the context menu, then select the trash option from there. This approach is useful if you prefer context menus or if your screen layout hides the three-line icon. That's all you need. Before you empty images in bulk, consider archiving or downloading anything you might want later. Deleting from your Midjourney gallery won't affect copies you've saved elsewhere, but it does remove them from your web workspace. When you're done, your gallery will be cleaner, faster to browse, and focused on the images you actually want to use.